Learning Power BI is an exciting journey, but it's not without its challenges. Today, we'll explore the key hurdles learners face when mastering Power BI and how to overcome them. Oath has written this LinkedIn newsletter. Check the description to read it. Challenge 1. Complexity of data analysis. First, let's talk about data modeling. Creating data models requires a solid grasp of relational databases and data structures, which can feel overwhelming for beginners. Then there's DAX, data analysis expressions. These formulas are powerful but challenging, especially for those without programming experience. Challenge 2. Steep learning curve. Power BI offers advanced features and constant updates. While these updates are great for staying innovative, they can make it hard for learners to keep up with the latest functionalities. Challenge 3. Lack of prior knowledge. Without foundational skills like Excel, SQL, or basic data analysis concepts, diving into Power BI can be daunting. And don't forget the importance of understanding the business context. Without it, creating meaningful reports becomes a real struggle. Challenge 4. Insufficient training resources. Not all training materials are created equal. Many resources lack practical, hands-on examples, and clear, structured learning paths from beginner to advanced levels are often missing. Challenge 5. Time constraints. Let's face it, time is a luxury. Professionals often juggle job responsibilities, leaving little room to learn a new tool. And mastering Power BI requires consistent practice, which can be tough to fit into a busy schedule. Challenge 6. Inadequate hands-on practice. Theoretical knowledge isn't enough. Hands-on practice with real-world data is crucial, but not everyone has access to such datasets. Challenge 7. Lack of support. Learning is easier with mentorship. Without access to experienced users or mentors, learners can feel stuck. Engaging in communities and forums can help, but not everyone takes advantage of these resources. Challenge 8. Psychological barriers. Finally, let's address the psychological challenges. Some learners fear new technologies, while others grow impatient and give up when faced with initial difficulties. Finally, to conclude, I can say, while learning Power BI comes with its challenges, each hurdle is an opportunity to grow. With the right mindset, resources, and consistent practice, you can master Power BI and unlock its full potential. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Power BI insights.